So this weekend vlog, we're actually going to go up to the Safari Park, which is a Greenbrier Rally Cross, is kind of the nickname for it. I'm taking the Fiesta up there. I got the gravel tires mounted, and I'm ready to rip on it. I want to do a little bit of shakedown run before I have to go to Florida. But before that, I kind of forgot I need to put the skid plate back on. So anyway, we're going to go up north, do a promotional video for Zach and the Safari Park Greenbrier Rally Cross, which we'll be hitting up in September. Yeah, I think this is going to be a fun project, so I'm going to throw the skid plate on right quick. Well, we're going to be shooting our promotional video out here. This is the Greenbrier site. This is where the September event's going to be, and it's gorgeous out here today. It really, really is. The wind and the shade is just nice. But yeah, we're going to wait on Zach and Jarf to get up here, and Mr. Ian Footlong see himself. And we're going to get some drone footage, go hoon around. And we're going to shake down these new Johnnies. Look at these. Oh, those look so good. My first set of actual gravel tires. So yeah, I wanted to go ahead and try those out before I go to Florida with them, so we'll see how they do. I'm expecting a lot of grip, a lot of ripping and tearing. Well, we're getting all set up here. Got Mr. C doing the drone work. Zach's doing the Lord's work while he's mowing out there. Didn't have to today, but he is coming in clutch. That's gonna be awesome. Thank you, Zach. So shakedown run number 1 went down, and the grip is there. I turned the traction control off, kind of let it have it there at that last little run, and she lit up. So I'm fixing to go do a little bit of, about a, we'll call it 8/10 kind of run. Not quite 9/10, not quite 10/10, but I want to see where the traction's at with it now. Pretty sure this classifies as a sandbag. That's that next level weight reduction you don't hear about. So all the real pros use it in the GRC and the World Rallycross, so don't tell anybody. Well, that's the Greenbrier Safari Park Rally. We'll be here in September, and I cannot wait to try out the new wheels out here because this course is a lot of fun. It's super fast. It's pretty technical, and humongous thanks to everybody out here. See, thank you, Zach, Darf, everybody else, Gio, everybody. Thank you so much for everything. All right, guys. Catch you guys next time. Peace.